English course. Activity. Final speaking. Student Vincent Ortiz. Personal presentation. My name is Vincent Ortiz. I am a teacher of the program of food engineering at the UNAD. I live in Popayán City. I have been living in Popayán for 19 years. Why you choose that video? I choose the short film Big Bag Bunny because I like so much the computer anime comedy film. Brief description using report speech. To use the report speech, we're going to simulate a dialogue between the characters of film. The rabbit says that it had been unfair that the animal killed the butterfly. The bunny says that he wanted to help, but it was not possible. Summary of the short film. This short film shows the story of the very big rabbit friendly. The rabbit watched as a beautiful was attacked by other animals. The rabbit wanted to help the butterfly, then he himself was attacked by the street ruffians. The rabbit watched as the animals killed the butterfly. And the final, the big rabbit prepared a plan to teach the evil animals a lesson. Thanks.